Good morning. So here we are continuing a next lecture, so where we can see this about the Section 3 of Patent Act. So let's go in. Next is section 3J is like what the 3J says is like plants and animals in a whole or any part thereof other than the microorganism, but including the seeds, varieties, and the species and the essentially biological process for production and propagation of the plants and animals. That means like the plant we cannot able to do the patent for the plants and animal in a whole or any part of it. For example, like we cannot able to plant any tree. I mean, get the patent for the any plant or a tree which is already naturally occurring. Yeah, this 3J, what it is clearly explained is like we cannot able to plant, patent the plant and animal in a whole, or the any parts of the plants and animals, or the seeds, or the varieties of seeds and species. Essentially, that anything is a biological process or the production of the animals and plants cannot be patentable. But though like if we are creating a genetically created bacteria which is helps to cure any treat diseases. For example, like genetically created bacteria for production insulin, production. For example, we take the insulin, right? So in that condition we can go for the patent. But the thing is, we have to do the components or mm, used for plants and animals equipments can be patentable. Here, the section 3K says that you cannot patent the mathematical methods or business methods, algorithms, or computer program deep. Say algorithms is like business comes under the copyrights. Whereas like mathematical methods, anyone is doing the method of is problem solving in math, we cannot able to do the patentable. That is not a, so any methods which is used for the mathematics and business thing, we cannot go for the patentable. So this means that you if you write just a code, you cannot patent it. But if you have used a software which is you with the hardware, that is we are driving this hardware with the help of software, like we both combine together, right? So then that thing, it can be patentable. But if you have only these softwares related, that is algorithms, it is protected with using copyrights, we can get protection. But combining both hardware and software combination may qualify for the patentable. Section 3L is like literary, dramatical, music, artistic work, or any other aesthetic creations, that is, including the cinematographic work and television production. These all subjects which is fall under the copyrights protection. So anything is related to the entertainment, like music, movie, painting, TV shows, they are not patentable. They fall under this copyrights. Like so if you write a song or produce a movie, don't apply for a patent. It is like applying for copyrights protection instead. Next is 3M. M is like mental. We can remember like this mental process or mental act. A mere scheme or a rule or a method of performing any mental act or a method of playing game. For example, we cannot able to do the patent which is not in a aesthetic, that is designing. We cannot able to do the feel as a physical thing. We cannot go for the patentable. For example, like a method of solving the puzzles or play learning the new language or method of teaching and learning, that cannot be patentable. But the equipments which is used for playing the games or carrying the, I mean, anything which is used helpful for a devices helpful for teaching methods. So that in that thing we can go for the patentable. For example, if we say there is a new way of teaching languages or rules for a game, a new card, we cannot go for the patent. That those things or cannot be patented. But if we invented a new equipments like what I discussed previously, like playing the games or especially the boards or devices, then that could be a patentable. So next is the three NS like presentation and information. Anything related to the presentation like PPT, video or visuals, symbols, diagrams. The information which is used for recorded on carrying the information, recording or carrying the information that cannot be patentable. Any simple presentation which is displaying about information that cannot be patentable. But if we are using a new technology like screen, I mean equipments for displaying or thing that can be patentable. So for example, like projector, which is used for projecting the information, that is a component, right? Projector is an equipment, right? That can be patentable. Not anything of related to the presentations of information is not a patentable. Thanks for watching. So in next lecture, we'll see the remaining sections and we see the section 6, 7, all these acts. Thank you.